What's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. Okay, check the trade. Balance 332, profit 1000 USD, baby, 1000 USD, and it's that simple, man. So basically, guys, look, I'm not excited about the amount of the money. You know, I've traded bigger accounts than this, and I always trade sometimes bigger accounts than this. The most important thing I want to highlight is the skill. I've got the law of the US30 and I've been doing it for a couple of days. I started this account with 250 US dollars last week and I didn't trade it a lot. I just opened two trades, one today and the other one, I think that was when Monday or so. Today is a Wednesday, right? So I've got the law. I've caught the law with this trade, and I'm just letting it run a bit, but I need to secure my profits also. I mean, this is more than enough. My excitement is how this thing has taken a toll on me. It's easy to trade, but it's very, very, very aggressive, So it's taken a toll on me, and it's made me sometimes doubt my capacity and my abilities as a trader. But I commit myself, I'm going to be showing you guys more as I trade it, right? You see, now I'm on 1,360, right? With a profit of 1,000 and a balance of 330, right? So basically, it's easy and simple to trade it. The problem is it's volatile, extremely volatile. Not my type of volumes. You can check the volume 0.05, 0.01, but in this instance it's a lot, so it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. 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 Let's kill it. 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 God bless everybody. This is just truly the Forex Rockstar.